Hello everyone, this is Nelson Darwin ParkTech channel. In this MATLAB tutorial, we will be learning while loops. If you are familiar with any other programming languages and while loop works in the same way for MATLAB. So let's come to our code and start learning. First of all, we will write CLC clear all, close all. Well, these three statements are not necessary in your code, but if you write these three statements, I'll tell you at the end of the video that why these three statements are very helpful. So let's come to our while loop. I'm declaring a variable and giving it a value of 10. Now in while loop, as you know, in while loop, we enter the terminating condition. For example, if you want a loop to run for the 9 times, so we'll write here n is greater than 1. It is the syntax of the while loop in the MATLAB. Now I will decrement 1 for every time when the while loop runs and display the value of n like this. Let's save our code and run our script. Here you can see in the command window we have our output. As this output is showing us for value from 1 to 9, and as I already told you, this loop will work for 9 times. For the first time when we have assigned the value of 10, it will come here and check whether 10 is greater than 1. The condition becomes true. It will jump inside the loop, decrement a value of 1 from the variable n and display the value. For the first time when the value is 10, the loop has become true. Now it will decrement a value of 1 and display the decremented value. Like here you can see the value of 9. Now I'll come to these three statements. I already told you in the start of the video that I'll tell you at the end why these three statements are very useful. As you can see here, I'm running my script again and again, and it's not mixing up my output, but it is showing me the latest output of my program. Let's suppose I remove these three statements from my code like this. Save my code and run. Run again, run again. As you can see, it is not clearing the command window, and while debugging your code, you will be mixed up of your latest output of the program. So it's a very professional approach for using these three statements in your program. What if we want our loop to run for the 10 times? So it's very easy. We'll come here and give the value of 11 to our variable n. Save your program. Let's uncomment these three lines so we can see our arranged output. Save your program and run. Now here you can see our program is running for the 10 times. So that was enough for today's video. If you want to learn more, stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.